Ngunit sapagkat tinalo po ng Barangay Poblasyon sa ating semifinals ang Barangay San Agustin, kaya meron po silang privilege ngayon na sila ay twice to beat. Ang ibig kong sabihin, kapag nanalo po sa larong ito ang Barangay Poblasyon, siya na po ang ating itatanghal na kampiyon. Ngunit, kapag nanalo po ang Barangay San Agustin, magkakaroon pa po tayo ng isang laban. And now, John Ray Cantor! Jersey number 3, let's welcome Vincent Louis Leon. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 6, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Jackie Perez. Wearing jersey number 7, ladies and gentlemen, is no one than Hatoy Torralba. Jersey Perez. Wearing jersey number 9 is Renjo Kahili. Wearing jersey number 10 is Alan Magdala. Wearing jersey Pastor. Wearing jersey number 23, Peter Carson. Jersey number 57 is no one than Paulo Capito. Wearing jersey number 21 is no one than Mikmik Minyas. Paulo Minyas. Wearing jersey number 35 is no one than Adam Blanco. Wearing jersey number 25 is Doggy the Dancer Karinga. Wearing jersey number 17, Iso Marasigan. And wearing jersey number 16, the last but not certainly the least, is no other than Mark Sescon. Official coach of Barangay Poblasyon, let's welcome Coach Dexter Caringal. Assistant coach, Mr. Jason Acosta. Statistician, Mr. Giovanni Leroy. And of course, our Honorable Barangay Captain of Barangay Poblasyon. And our team manager is no other than our SK Chairman of Barangay Poblasyon, SK Brian Soriano. Ladies and gentlemen, our challenger, the Barangay Poblasyon. Barangay San Agustin. To begin with, ladies and gentlemen, jersey number 24 is our venerable Jonyan Ortiz. Jersey number 17 is no one than RJ Rivera. Academy. Wearing jersey number 12 is none other than Gilbert Ontalan. Jersey number 20 is none other than Lyndon Eliosida. Wearing jersey number 1 is Lyndon Palma. Jersey number 15 is none other than Alan David. And last, but not certainly the least, ladies and gentlemen, jersey number 23, Andrew David. And of course, let's welcome the defending coach, Mr. Eric Portus. Mr. Pasio De Castro. And let's welcome our Honorable Barangay Chairman Northern, Honorable Ben De Castro. And our SK Chairman, Gabriel Torreja. And to officiate this game, ladies and gentlemen, from the Basketball Association of the Philippines, let's welcome Mr. Andrew Eisen, Mr. Marcial Macamanton, and Mr. Oscar Berlin Justo. Sa gitna mo na tayo. Pumalakpak muna mga tagay sa Agustin! At kailangan marinig ang taga-poblasyon! Our international referee, Mr. Andwison, has just given instruction to our players regarding our attitudes and characters to be given in the game. Let's wish both teams good luck, gentlemen! Okay, shake hands, gentlemen. And magbala. Twice to make advantage. Barangay Poblasyon. Here comes Torreja. Pass to Davido. It is out of bounds. And you see that. Penetrate. It's there. Here comes Pastor. Pastor, bounce to Torreja. Give him the Pastor. However, what do you want to Pastor brings down the ball. Here comes Pastor. Behind the back dribbling. San Agustin. And still the ball for Rivera. Portos, plays down the ball. Heavy grabbing. Good. And the one. Happy defense by Perez. And the last one, Salvador Bangla. Shot clock, 15 seconds to shoot. 15. Just hold on to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. 10 seconds to shoot. Portos, sticking three. Alley-oop, the block, and a turnover. Okay. 1,000 of attendants here in beyond Belgrano Memorial Plaza for supporting the two opponents between San Agustin, Portos, cross-leg dribbling. Ibigay kay Rivera. Rivera, binalik kay Portos. Out of bounds. 16. First time out.
Ayun tatlo. Triangle. Down. Ulas. Triangle.
Okay. Habito. Oh! On the last touch, foul formation. Good. Here comes Portos. Alley-oop. Protected by Perez. Grabbing the ball. And a pitch goes to Pastor. Good. Pastor. Lays up. Shot clock, 14. Ernestina. Ganon. Out of bounds. Second play. Binabantayan siya ni Andal. Still, to Chavez. Habang gabi. To Chavez again. And still the ball with Bangla. To Capito. And a foul. Versus Measure. Yes. Rivera. Starting the play. Pass to Andal. The El Labrador. Elisira. Traveling. Attack for three. Ganon. High for the rebound on Rivera. To Andal. To Portos. Portos. Attack for three. Ganon. And the rebound goes to Burralba. And a foul. On Portos. 24 Portos. Wala yan. Bagi-bagi lang. Sige. Eto. 14.
Paulo, ikaw na lang siya. Atoy, kapit tayo ha. Ikaw ko na lang ito.
Hey! 6! 4! Still the ball by the Chavez. Here comes the Chavez. Running the ball. To Marana. Kick out. The Chavez follows up. And Rabagusa. Foul on number 23. Ang buwan na tawag na si Baby Shot. First shot. Good. Ready? Yes! Para kay The Chavez. Looks for the open man. Pinapagyan siya niyan ka. Shot clock. 30. Turalba. Lays up. And lovely. Ready rebound. Ano sigaw na? Barangay Poblacion. Good. Rebound. Aranyo. Anda. Ibinigay kay Aranyo. Restrict shooter. Heavy traffic. Rivera out the corner. Oh, automatic turnover. Here comes Capito. To Blanco again. Ilaw. Baby shot for the rebound. Second play on Capito. Capito again. Yes. Nothing back there. 55. Si Capito, ang pangalan pala niya, Baby ko. Turalba. To Pastor. Ganon. Andal. And now, rebound. Number. Pinatawagan niya. Baka di pa ka-chance. Ayun! Sayang! Here comes Baby shot, don't steal the ball. Here comes Pastor. And foul. Submission. Pastor, Andal. Okay, boys and play. 53 seconds. Here comes Patus. Tupagito. Shot clock 8. And Lucida Gas. Domino. Penetrate. And there's a whistle. Take it home. Second shot. No good. And there's a push foul. On number 35. Down. The second shot. And na. Rivera. No good. Hapon na naman ang Lucida. Still by Kahili. Kahili. Given to Turalba. Turalba slowly brings down the ball. 20 seconds. Number shot lang na po tayo. Turalba, lilipan! Yes! 20 seconds. Power! Elisina, agad! Bravo! Okay, umabot ang pito bago nag-buzzer. Foul, number 23. Second foul ng buzzer. Yes! That's the buzzer for the first period. Official score 19-11. An 8-point lead by your barangay. Poblacion!
Kunin mo si Pastor. Ha? Pressure mo muna. Oh.
Okay, back to the ball game. Possession goes to Barangay Poblacion Pastor. 10 seconds to shoot. Cross-court pass to Mahilig. Hal, Ama. Ama sa Karutagi. Eto na, wala. Nakakuha ng Lucida. Nagpapadali. Lucida, may tawag ng bola. Nakakuha ni Blanco. Blanco, binigay kay Pastor. Pastor, Lilibad. Apa, Perawan. Tupuntos. Taking 3. 10 seconds to shoot. To Lucida. Panama. Lays out. Knock on. Here comes Kahili. Kahili brings out the ball. Binabag niya siya ni Andal. Setting the play. Setting the play to Pastor. Pastor looks for the open man. 15 seconds to shoot. Okay, substitution. Substitution. And Lucida. 15 seconds to shoot to Andal. Andal, big drops. Lucky bounce for 2. Kahili. 15 seconds to shoot. Andal for 3. No good. And retrieve by Andal. Here comes Andal. Give it to Patus. It's still by Perez. Perez. Ibigay kay Lucida. Lilibad. Pinigil kay Patus. At nakakuha ng foul. Si number 6, Perez. In and out. Okay, entering to system pista. Yan, nagkakaya tayo ng problema eh. Binigay na instruction. May sili. Eto na si Blanco, nag-i-inbound, binigay kay Turalba. Turalba, binigay kay Blanco. Binigay kay Pastor. Pastor, to Davito. Davito, tatak na. Lilibad. Yes, Pastor. Iba na ang matangkap. Star Marguerite with sweet Andal. Shot clock 10. Patus. 5. Andal, stop shot. Lago. Here comes Pastor. And still, Andal. Andal, lilibad. Goes to. Sayang naman. Eto na si Pastor. Pass to Davito. Davito, heavy traffic. Lays up. Kusma. Fires up. And foul. On number 24, Pastor. Second foul of Pastor. Pass to Patus. Shot clock. 10 10 seconds to shoot. Cross leg dribbling. Using the gas. In and out. Goes to Toralba. Here comes Toralba. Attacking the lane. Up, up. And an illegal use of hands. Kitang-kita po yan sa ibang style table. Tuwanda. Is in the ball. Here comes Magpala. Pass to Pastor. One breaks. Using the gas. Officially score 27. Ayan na po, nag-iikot na po ang ating mga committee. Arano takes a 3, rebound ang Davido. Pastor, ibinigay kay Davido. Davido, takang ka, ibinigay kay Blanco. Blanco, shot clock 14. Pastor, acrobatic shot! Yes! Pastor. Attack for 3, in and out. High for the rebound. Last touch on Arano. That's the base of the night. Live na po tayo in action at here in Bial Medrano Memorial Plaza. Here comes Davido, attacking the lane, acrobatic shot, rebound on the Chavez, given to Portus. Portus, behind the back dribbling, pinarandation ni Blanco, ibinigay niya Arano, takes a 3 picks, and given to Portus, one pump, attacking, magical shot, no power, rebound on the Chavez, cross-court pass. Eto na si Davido. Okay, given ang distance lang po yan, ha? Okay, body-body lang. Toralba ay Marana. Live po tayo, shot clock 14. Still by Portus. Here comes Portus, pass to! Sayang naman. Hey, grabe. Eto na si Toralba, lilipad! No good! Rebound, goes to the Chavez. The Chavez to the Portus. Portus, brings down the ball. Here comes Portus, pass to Marana. Barangay Poblacion 29-17, a 12-point lead by Barangay Poblacion. Ready. Alright, yes, kita-kita po, ang excess to Olmo. Panalo naman siya ng Toralba. Panalo Toralba. Extended of your elbow. Portus, I leave to the Chavez. No good. Last touch on Ilusita. Arano. Palitan tayo, palitan. Arano. Nagmamadali. Lilipad. Pastor, wala. Nakakuha kayo ni Chavez. The Chavez, tayo na babasahan. Nililin kay Portus. The team captain, Portus. Tayo na lang. And a pound. Penalty, foul on Santo. Ready rebound. In and out. Magbanlak for the rebound. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Here in the second period, this is our last game for the championship game. Antón, lilipad. Good. Another shot to block that to Chavez. 1 minute 25. Here comes Portus. Attacking the lane. Lays up. Portus. Here comes Magbanlak. Habang kasi Magbanlak. Canada. Tapping the ball. Tango. Here comes Tango. Pass to Perez. Pass to Magbanlak. Too strong. 5 seconds to shoot. Oh, good round. And the start. Shot clock 14. And Lucida to Portus. Taking 3. Portus. Heavy dropping. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Maran! The lead point! Sala! Nakawala na itong lab! Yes! 20 seconds! Wala na po tayo shot seconds! 7! Still the ball! Here goes David! David! Up! And away!
gaganapin niya. Okay. Boss Anan, music. Okay, ingat lang po niya sa mga ibabaw ng truck. Ha? Wala po sa inyong may bibigay, kundi kape at biscuit lang po. Ingat lang po dyan.
Mabalak, open sa ilalim. Ay, ikaw, radyo. Magbibigay na ako ng play dito sa ilalim pa lamang din para naman yung positioning.
Okay, barangay sa laban. Ang yan, ang grupo, barangay sa laban.
Kasi ito yung kanina.
Ang third place ay ang barangay.
Yan ang ating 5. Oo, yan 5. Pwede pito yan. Lapito, jagi. Uye, lapito, gamit ang screen, bigay, atake.
Okay ba kayo dyan?
Alalayan.
Aba, inaantok na. Ang barangay sa laban. Okay ba kayo dyan?
You bring it so loud, choosing your battle. Make yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the
Yes! Miss Emmy! Sino? Rina Dayaw. Okay, from San Agustin. To be awarded by Attorney Vera. Palagpakan po natin si Rina Dayaw and si Attorney. Hoy! May request! May request si Attorney. Elusida. Tuandan. Marana. Taking 3. Tuandan. Pass to Elusida. Turn around. And there's a conclusion. Let's go! Talagang buhay na buhay. Malakas sa tira, mga kawan, Elusida ulit. Elusida to Elusida. Yes, po. Binabanggan siya ni Elusida. Si Dahilig, setting a play, signaling 1. Pipe keepers ni Elusida, shot clock 10. 7. Pasto! For the layup. Here comes Marana, takes a 3. Another one. And there's a boost. Elusida, number 13. Looks for the open man, Tuandan. Rivera, Tuandan, to Portos. Lays up. No good. Rebound to Blanco. Pass to Pastor. Oh, nakakuha ng foul. Number 14, Andan. Kahilig. Signaling play number 2. Okay, matagal pa po. Sige, anong sa amin yan? 40 seconds to shoot. Is good by Rivera. Andan. Deflected. Recover Elusida. To Elusida. Heavy traffic. To Rivera. Pick up shot. No good. Fire shot. Number 10. Penetrate. Yes. For 2. Andan. And a foul from behind. Andan. Attacking the lane. Ang bumangga. Tip in. Follows up. No good. Here comes Kahilig. Superstar. Up. Head away for 2. Pass to Elusida. Turn around. Shot. No good. Tapito. Ibinigay kay Elusida. Elusida. At nakakuha ng foul. Holding foul. Number 25, Blanco. Third foul. Walang pag-ubustan ng Elusida. Malakas sa tira. Nakakuha ni Blanco. Nakagawa ni Elusida. Portos. Tuson. At natapik ni Elusida. Talingan, sinong designated shooter? Sinong titira? Okay, 24 si Pastor. Okay, 2 free throws. Ball possession. Given to Pastor. Pausap lang po, pausap lang. Bicol lang po tayo, Bicol. Alright, Pastor, last shot. To Pastor. Shot clock 15. Illegal screen on number 35. Block. Portos. Ever dropping. To El Lucida. El Lucida side step. Lays up. Correct for two. Setting the play. Looks for the open man. 13 seconds to shoot. Strong on the blown. And the skin. And that's what goes. Still, they got it all. And a foul. Eto na. Pastor is coming in. Eto na si Rivera. Rivera. Ibinigay kay Portos. El Lucida. Portos, wala. Wala. Follow up. Chavez. Baby shot for the rebound. Carson. Shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Reset. Baby shot for the rebound. 4 minutes. Shot clock 15. Turalba, Canada, pass to Tapito. Baby shot. Pass through. 5 seconds to shoot. And stepping on the sideline. Setting the flag. Cross-court pass. To Rivera. Shot clock 12. El Lucida. Yes, to the point. So another decision. 8. Turn around. And there's a Wilson. Foul on number 7. Poblacion. Nakakuha ni Portos. Eto na si Portos. Nagmamadali. Portos for the burning rubber. Portos. Kaya ito. Middle pass to El Lucida. Too strong. Good. Rivera. Pass to. Wow. That's a good call. It's to the ball. Tapito. Pastor. Lilibad. Up, and away. Portos. Attacking the lane. Lays up. Too strong. Rebound of Pastor. Pastor. And that's a robbery. To El Lucida. Back to El Lucida. That's a lot of El Lucida. El Lucida. To Portos. Portos. Alley-oop. No good. Get in. And it's in. Goes to El Lucida. Turn around. No good. Rebound goes to San Agustin. Portos takes a 3. Portos. 3. Down to 2 minutes. Baby shot. To Pastor. To Andal. Shot clock 13. 10. 7. 4. Yes. El Lucida, number 13. Here comes the Turalba. Lays up. And there's a Wilson. We have a contact. Foul on the Chavez. Third foul on the Chavez. 2 free throws on. Foul. 2 for 2. Para Turalba. 54 seconds. 45 seconds to the ball. Here comes the leading pass to Turalba. Lilibad. Paglo. 25 seconds. El Lucida. Tuanda. 28 seconds. The Chavez. Lilibad. Malakas sa tula. Makakuha ni David shot. 22 seconds. Ano po ang shot clock? 18. Last 10 seconds. 5. That's the buzzer for the third period. Official score 52-38. A 14-point lead. Your Barangay Poblacion. Pasensya na kayo, wala tayong aircon ngayon. Ginagamit niya ngayon ay paypay. salamat sa inyo sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa palaro ng ating kagalang-galang Mayor Danny B. Torrea at ng ating Vice Mayor Sixto Yabyabin at ng mga SB members ng Ibahan, Batangas. Papasok na po tayo sa ating fourth and final period. Good luck, both teams! Ball possession plus score, shot clock, 15. To Davito, turn around. Davito to Baby Shot. 8 seconds to shoot. Uralba, 1 point fakes. No good. Same ball. Alright. Pausap na lang po sa pro player. Coach kayo na. Doon na sa pitcher. Kayo ng konti sa linya. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Live in action po tayo. Ito na si Perez. Uralba, binabantayan siya ni Bortus. Okay, Aston. Evan Davito, lilipad! Bago! Nakawin ko na ba? Yes! Bortus, lilipad! Well, whistle. Unang patuloy na pumasok by Poblacion. Second free throws, ready rebound. Yes, 2-2 by Bortus. Shot clock down to 15. Here comes Turalba. Shot clock 10. Perez. In and out. Rebound to Bortus. Here comes Bortus. Brings down the ball. Attacking the lane. Up. And away. Bortus. Lays up. And there's a contact. Personal is good. Ito na ang sigaw ng San Agustin. Balong tira. Meron. Rivera. Heavy traffic. Ibinigay kay Lucida. To Bortus. One pump fakes. No good. At pass to Turalba. Turalba lilipad. Ibinigay kay Perez. Yes. Ito si Rivera. Rivera. Sa kalimutan ng bola. Naghahanap ng mga pasahan. Ibinigay kay Lucida. To Aranyo. Aranyo. Shot clock 14. Bortus. Bortus. 2 points. Straight from the line. Manage pare. Eto na si Turalba. Turalba. Oh, niligaw din sa pass. Taga na. Matawag na ito. Paolo number 7, Turalba. Fourth personal Paolo Turalba.
Technical pa.
And technical. Technical Paolo number 7, Turalba. Number 7, Turalba. 5 personal pa. Okay, sige. Eric, sino titira Eric? Sa technical pa. Eric, sino titira? 24 sa Bortus? Okay. Pasa na siya. Wala pang gusto. Pumasok. Okay, substitution para kay Turalba. Turalba, papalitan si Turalba dahil 5 personal na po siya. Papalitan tayo. Sino ang Lucida? Okay, number 7, Di Chavez. Okay, labi na action na po tayo. 60-48, down to 12-point lead. Ito na, Bortus. Looks for the open man. Marana, there's a three. Now good, high up for the rebound. Tahili. And a pull, power from behind. On number 10, El Lucida. Third foul, El Lucida. Third team foul, San Agustin. Sige, matagal bilang. 40 seconds to shoot.
Dalawa!
6. Magbalila. Turn around. No good. El Lucida. And there's a Bortus at mamadala for Perez. Pwede pa ng rubber. Pass to Lucida. El Lucida to Marana. Snap shot. Yes! Just hold the wheels here. 15 seconds to shoot. Madulas. Rodo, dahil madali ba? Eto na. Marina San Agustin. Please watch out. Next for the open man. 16 seconds to shoot. To Davido. Davido. Shot clock 10. Oh, it's coming to blow. Intercepted. Intercepted. And there's a foul. Number 9, Kainin, penalty. Ito ngayon ang sigaw ng taga-barangay Poblasyon. Pumasok. Ito na lang po ang kalamangan. Just hold on to your seat and punch in your seat belt. And yung si Kuya Shani, Portos, out nakakuha ng foul. Foul ng Portos. Third foul ng Portos. Ito na si Pastor. 10. And there's a foul. Foul number 10 on Lucina. Fourth foul on Lucina. Poblasyon. Ito na. Pangalawang pagbubuslo. Sana nakuha ni Babalag. Tinipin. Wala. El Lucina. Wala lang po ang kalamangan. Ito na si Portos ang pamadali. Portos lilipan! Wala, nabitawan ang bola. Mabilis! Nagwala! Nakakuha ni Rivera! Lilipan! Sala! Nakakuha ni Pastor! Pastor! Pwede na ball! Pass to Blanco! Ang parinan! Ito na ang Davido! Yes! Time out! San Agustin! 63-53. Sampung kalamangan. Ay, Poblasyon. Okay, okay. Dichagas, siya ay may dala ng bola. Si Dichagas magtatangka, umikot at nakakuha ng foul. Sa Poblasyon, sa penalty. Here comes Baby Shot, Carlson. First shot by Dichagas is good. Andal. Kahilig, binabandayan ni Portos. That's a flop. Ito si Pastor. Pastor, lilipan. Shot block 8. No good. Ayaw pa rin ibang ni Chavez. Swing ball. First 24. Baby shot. Pass to Kahilig. Down to 3 minutes and 9. Shot clock 18. Okay, timeout. Recap po tayo. Ang Poblasyon may isa pang timeout. Ang San Agustin may dalawa pang timeout. Okay, back to the ball game. Ang nakakuha ng last foul ay walang iba kundi si number 24 Portos. Pumasok ang walang pinagawin. Lumabas. Nakakuha ni Chavez. Di Chavez, binigay kay Maranan. Si Maranan ngayon nagmamadali. Wait! Establish. Eto na si Lucina. And Lucina to Rivera. Pass to Maranan na nagagawan. And we have a help ball. Save ball. Next out of possession. 6. 4. Baby shot. Pass. And a save ball. Okay, establish. Mula sa referee pa yung bola. Kamay mo, baba mo kamay mo. Yan. Eto na si shot. Nakakuha ni Kahilig. Ibinigay kay Pastor. Pastor, binabagay siya ni Maranan. Shot clock 13. Block. Walang tigas. 8. Agad. Last touch ang itim. Papalagay na po tayo sa 2 minutes and 18. Ang Kahilig, penalty. 9-point lead lang po ang kalamangan niya. Palitan tayo, palitan. Elisida, to Elisida. Pangalawang tira. Malakas. Real ball. Push. On baby shot. Shooter. Sino ang shooter natin? Unang pasok. Pasok. Sana. Nakuha kayo ni Pastor. Pastor. Siya ngayon magaling ang bola. Nagbababa na ko. Ulit. Na-recover. Eto lilipad na si Pastor. Supalpan. Sa palitan tayo. Palitan. Portos. Number 20. This last 2 minutes brought to you by Mayor Danny B. Correja. And there's a Balta. Second free throws. Ready for the rebound. Ready. Now good. Dapido for the rebound. Protecting the ball. Here comes Dapido. Baseball pitch to Perez. Perez. Malan. Pick up shot. It's good. Tukahilig. Tumagban lang. Shot clock. 10. Oh, sayang naman. Time out.
Ikaw naman, nandito ko lang ilan ha. Sa dulo. Oo, tapos muna ba?
Possession. San Agustin. Portos. Article snap. Para sa no good. Save ball. Square place. Establish lang. Nasa referee pa ang bola. Elisida. Pass to Marana for 2. Last na ball, tinambo. Shot out, 8. 5. Good, nakakuha na po ni Marana. 39 seconds. Pass to Elisida. Elisida, malakas. Elisida. At ako ng foul. Second foul, ang magbanla. Penalty. 66. Just hold on to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Yes! Pangalawa. Malaki tira. Nakawaling. Last shots. Si Davido. 66, 61, 28 seconds. Hold on to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Head to the talo. Head to the ball. Elisida for the rebound. Pass to Marana. Marana, give to Elisida. 25 seconds. And goes to Portos. Portos. Post to shot. Elisida. Elisida. 5 fouls. Diretso na po ang ating awarding. First shot. 60 seconds. Last shot.
Ilang oras yan, ilang araw.
Wala. Gawin namin na. Elisida. Number 13, Elisida. Paglo. Third foul. Paglo. Special shot. Wow, bago shoes. Now good.
First shot. 9 seconds.